this is the extreme weather over here. We are actually going to see a mega tornado outbreak right now. We're recording in this, but we need to get things set up right now. Yeah, let me just take a little while to get things working right now. Just going to get a little something to get it ready for this live streaming. Cause this is gonna be a very good large live streaming right now. This gonna be a very long day for us. This gonna be much more stronger and severe outcome of this live streaming, because it's just gonna be much more tensing for this video as well. There's gonna be much more stronger some areas as well. Some of this strong tornadoes front will be some more severe. There's already been a lot of happening. There's already been a lot of radar indicated of tornadoes. There's going to be a lot more coming for the next couple this hours. So this is just going to be a major stream for us today. There's already at least been at least 4, but there's none of them are confirmed, but most of them are eradicated. We need to, in case this outcome will going to get worse or not, we need to keep an eye on it, what is happening in case it's going to get worse or going to get better as well. We need to, in case this storm going in case will be a much more worse, or you will see on my weather bell. You can see what is very soon, but you can kind of see it, what is happening with a lot of lightning, but for like severe as well. There's already been a lot of as well, but towards like the been threat, it shows nothing. There's nothing, not yet, but Noah shows a lot. Things are happening. There's a lot of severe stuff, because it's going to look like very long day for us as well, in case it's not going to get worse or not. We need to keep on it in case for this, because this is going to be a very long day protest, in case going to get worse over days as well for it to become. But so far these storms towards the northeast as the track goes, because on the satellite you can kind of see it's just going to get worse. You can kind of see what is designed for the cell. You can kind of see it on the satellite as well. On the to see those. There's a lot of these storms are growing still as well. what is going happening? Well, these line drought of this stream, because there's going to be a very long day for this storm not going to get over. This is going to get still going to get stronger as well for it, because there's going to be much more tensing as well for this live streaming, because we need to keep on it in case going to get worse for this, because there's going to be taking very longer time to see it coming, because there's live streaming. I was trying to send my video out doing a live streaming, but here I am doing a live streaming right now, because there's at least one confirmed tornadoes as well so far, but there's not lots of could be not lots of debris ball, but on the GRX analyst, this will be much more vulnerable for severe weather. There'll be a very long day ahead of us, including a very long line of thunderstorms as well. So far, to see a lot of clouds, but mix those clouds, you get a little bit supercellist. Some areas could get into these storms, but we need to keep on it in case it's going to get worse. So you can see under this probability says damage wind more threat, but 14% chance for tornado as well. There's some reports about lightning strikes as well. I will see if there's any webcams nearby, but so far nothing, not yet. But there's one for this severe weather, but not for tornadoes, not yet. But we need to keep on it for a little bit, very long day as well, because it's just going to be very inducing this streaming, because hopefully everything will be good for this today, because there's going to be another live streaming for this severe weather. There's going to be a lot of storms are happening, because this live streaming, there's going to be a very longer day for all of these knots. So far it's just not lots of strong knots, but getting there still. But we need to keep an eye on it in case there is a lot of knots for forecast to do so. But we need to keep on it in case there's any more tornado watches and more tornadoes as well. But there's maybe another tornado already indicated as well. We need to keep on it in case any of these storms going to get any worse. But there's a TV. Oh, that's early. But there is a chance. But it is a little bit. We need to keep an eye on it. So far, this not look like very strong as well. Look like there's nothing pretty much on the radar, not yet, but we need to keep on it in case, well, there's any more tornadoes as well. There's a lot of other things, like there's a lot of flooding as well. There's only in case to do so as well, because hopefully these days, because I want to in case trying to help you guys, there's any tornadoes and emergency. So far there's nothing, not yet, but we need to keep an eye on it so far as well. We need to in case just a little bit wild to do so these storms. Maybe there's some hail, but there's only a small amount of hail. Look like a little bit winking. Just need to keep an eye on in case any more severe as well. So far there's nothing. We need to check on that with the weather models as well, in case anything will be a light up ahead of all of these storms, including more severe what is happening, all of these storms for this severe outcome as well. Here's what is going to be the radar. Just give me a moment to get it. Here it is, what is could be the next 6 days. You can kind of see what is happening. All these storms going to get a little bit stronger to right now, but Mississippi, Alabama going to get a little bit weakening, and then tomorrow some areas could get a little bit severe to over tonight, because tonight there's over around 7. We need to keep on in case those storms are deducing any hails. So far nothing, not yet, but we need to keep on in case deduce some storms. But back to the weather, still nothing. Still there's only severe weather, but on the satellite we kind of see what is going on with the lightning threshold, the GM as well. This is what is going on with that storm, to seeing all of these threats, because there's some of them are really strong, but we need to keep on in case getting any worse as well. This is what is happening. All of these storms, the radar indicated going to get a little bit closer, much more close to the radar some of these could get to. We need to keep on it in case there's any couple of new ones so far as well. There's in case we need to, this will be much more coming in any case as well for all of these storms. Hopefully there will be another update to see if there's any more storms coming towards the northeast as well. Because we need to keep an eye on it as well for all of these thresholds. Because we need to see what is happening, all of these severe weather. There's only not a lot of happening, but we need to keep on it until around Mississippi. But that was the outlook. But the outlook right now, it shows, because we need to keep an eye on for today. It's not over until when we go to the Mississippi. Until then, we still on that on the radar, and shows we not in the round over, not yet. When we get closer to it, in case going to get worse. But this still gonna be get beginning. Try to let you know what is happening so far. Because some people just want to watch it, but I want to just keep on all of these storms. Because that's what is happening, all of these. Because just let you know what's happening. Because I try to keep on all of these, try to help you in case all of these storms not going to get worse until the next round the Mississippi. It's not over yet. We need to in case will be, but this meantime there's gonna be lots of happening so far. We need to keep on all of these storms. Not going to get worse, not yet. But we need to keep on it. In case, coming. And eventually will be the next update. Will be eventually this storm. Will be the outlook will be round very severe as well. Because I just want to do all of these things for you guys to watch. For all of these storms could be much more rage. All of these. But like couple people as well. But but we need to keep an eye on it in case will introduce much more severe tornado outbreak. Because it's a moderate risk, you do not need to be pay cautious, but you need to keep on all of these tornado warnings in case you will be in one of those. We need to take a shelter as well. We need to keep an eye on it in case to do all of these storms. Because when I will try to get much more viewers' attention, to get much more people to get it as well. Because it's just trying to keep an eye on it. All of these storms. Because just I don't know why some people are not watching all of these live stream, but because I'm trying to doing like same thing, trying to help people in case all of these storms will be much more stronger as well. On all of these, it's not going to get over until we get a little bit closer to all of these storms. But so far there's another little severe weather. Look like there's going to be much more. Look like could be producing any hail as well. Because it's just going to be a very long live streaming as well. Because I want to get much more people attention as well. Look like there's a damaged wind threat. You kind of see it on our radar to show you what is happening so far as well. But the tornado watch is very big right now because there's lots of things are happening, but damage wind it could be much more severe, all the way to like a hurricane force wind threat as well. So far this storm just producing at least like 45 per hour. Some areas could get to around 50 per hour at least towards the radar, away from the radar as well. But so far maybe a little bit of rotation into this storm. You can kind of see it on it like coming this way as well and going this way. You can kind of see it as well. But it is going to be a very long day for of us as well. Because we need to keep an eye on it in case introducing all these storms. Yeah, but it will be tough. But we need to introduce until round will be over. There's still gonna be to get beginning all of these storms. Because I'm trying to help you in case one of those you will watch my videos and also my live streaming. So far, nothing. So far, but this will be the ending.